Matt with Rural Iowa, and welcome to a windy rural Iowa day. Thank goodness I'm going to be working inside. It is pretty blistery out there. Blistery. It's cold, so biggest thing we're doing today is I have to organize the basement that we cleaned all the junk out of. So come along with me and we will do that. So can't wait. Really can't wait because I want that basement cleaned up. So seriously though, I want that basement clean. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to move this shelf over to here, because I don't want any shelving going on an exterior wall. So I gotta go get my drill and we're gonna take that down. So we'll see how that goes. Now that we've got everything moved out of here, now I need to take the shelf down. Let's do it. They just tipped it. They didn't even take this thing apart, did they? Okay, scratch that. I'm going to put it back together. And we're going to try tipping it first. We're back. We got everything organized. I know that the lighting isn't great, but we got stuff organized in that. Dehumidifiers, shelving. Got this cleared out. Got shelving put over there with stuff on it. Got this room's all emptied out. Got stuff all up in here organized. This room right here where the shower used to be. We got everything figured out. Everything's reorganized. Next summer we're going to try to dig the foundation down and tile so we don't have water coming in. Then once we do that, we can try and paint and make things look a little nicer down here than they are. So it's an old house, so I mean, really don't expect it to be perfect, but at least I want to be able to come down here without being wet. So, and I don't know, tell me what you think. Just glad to get it all reorganized. So, but alright guys, we're back. It's been quite a few days because sickness has been going through my family. Even I'm not 100% back to where I was, but finally got time, so we're going to get this trailer, get it back to mom and dad, and yeah, we'll pick up some stuff. We had a big windstorm come through. I don't know if you can see that block that's down there. That's where it ended up after the big windstorm. So luckily we didn't have very many trees come down, pretty small. So, but we will go ahead and get started, pick some of that up, get it, yet again, one more trip to the dump. So at least this will be the last one, only because I won't have the trailer to take stuff again. If I do it, I'll have to take it in the pickup, which I don't want to do that. So, but all right, well, follow along. I'm gonna go pick some stuff up, and I'll throw a couple other things in the trailer, and then we'll move on. So, yeah. What do you think, Mabel? I'm Mabel Doak. Alright, let's go pick that up. Head to town, take this to the dump. Dad'll be happier because he'll have his trailer back. So catch you as soon as I get this all figured out. So hey guys, what's going on? It's been quite a while. Now obviously it's a lot colder out and there's snow on the ground, but I had these windows replaced and we're going to try and put them back in and see if they fit. One of these windows we replaced, or had to have replaced. We had to get rebuilt because the window frame was gone. We had no idea where it went. So we're going to try and put this windows back in and see if they all fit. So let's try it. You can't tell it's been a while. This is frozen. Those are a little frozen, so we're going to go ahead and leave those, let them warm up someday, and hopefully they'll snap back into place. What do you want, dog? Come on. Okay. Get 2 out of 3 windows in. And that one's a little froze. Down there, that's a little froze, and up there, that one's froze right there. So I'm just going to leave those be. Hopefully they'll thaw out, and then I'll be able to fix those. Got it in. Need to get that board off one of these days, but today's not that day because it's like 12 degrees outside. So I haven't been outside very much because it's been really cold, and today's the day that I finally just decided I need to get out and do something. So I'm gonna pick up all this that I left before it snowed. So yay. Heater Pro 110 10,000 BTU. I spent a long time pulling this thing apart and trying to get it running again. Let's see if it works. This is the first time I started this year. We're going to run this puppy, get warm in here so we can go be cold and then come back in and get warm. Cleaned up. Sorry it's been so long since I've had a video. We've had just pretty awful Christmas. Everyone was sick here recently, so that's why I haven't been putting any videos out. I haven't had any chance to actually record any. This has been weeks later to finally finish out this video from cleaning up that shed. So I appreciate you sticking around and watching. And hopefully I'll get back into a more regular routine since my kids are doing a lot better. So, yeah, I'll leave you with some shots of the shed. Enjoy, and we'll catch you next week. replacing this door. I haven't cleaned it off yet because it snowed shortly after, but it's clean, or the hinge is fixed and it's a lot better now. So, thank you guys. See you later. Bye.